Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar, an education for us all. नाजरीन खुश आमदीद, मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद अतीक अनवर और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल मोहम्मद अतीक अनवर, an education for us all. जैसा देख सकते हैं यहाँ के एक और कुकिंग सेशन होगा जो हमारा सेगमेंट कुकिंग मेड सिंपल में है। तो आज हम बहुत सा सिंपल मुख्तसर तरीके का पिलाव बनाएंगे। Viewers, today we're going to make a very simple pilau recipe. It's going to contain chicken, so we've got quite a large amount of chicken. It's over a kilo. Rice, as per desired. We have our cups, and there are 3 cupfuls. The other ingredients that you will need: onions, we've got some zira over there, we've got some bay leaves, we've got some cloves, and we have cinnamon sticks. And you'll need various masalas for the chicken, tomatoes, and some green chilies. And also we need some pastes, garlic and ginger. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We're going to make a start now. First thing, of course, as always, is oil. Okay. So as per taste, I'm going to add a small amount and let that warm up for about a minute or two. So the oil's warmed up very nicely. So we're going to add the masalas which are more relevant to the rice really, which is bay leaf, cinnamon and cloves. Okay, we'll let those heat up a little bit. These are the flavors for the rice, the pilau. Okay, that's warmed up nicely, sizzling nicely. So we're going to add one of the key things I would say to a pilau, which of course is onions, and these will need browning as nicely as possible. So can we add the onions, please? So as I say, these need really browning. So we're going to spend at least 10 minutes browning the onions. So viewers, as you can see, those are really lovely and brown. नाज़रीन जैसा देख सकते हैं ये बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ब्राउन हो गए हैं। अब नेक्स्ट इंग्रेडिएंट ऐड करेंगे चिकन। Okay, that is the chicken going in. Okay, going to give that a good mix. Okay, so as you can see, we need to mix it really well with the onions and the other things that we've added, and we're going to cook for around about 10 minutes. Okay viewers, the chicken has been cooking nicely for 10 minutes. There is a little bit of water, but we need to add the spices now and a few other things. So we're going to add the tomatoes, the spices of our choice, which as you can see is paprika, chili flakes, turmeric, garam masala and salt. We are also going to add cumin seeds, and we are also going to add garlic paste and ginger paste, as well as chilies. नाज़रीन कुछ और चीज़ें अब ऐड करेंगे। ये चिकन कुक हो चुकी है। सबसे पहले tomatoes, ये है जी garlic paste, ginger paste, okay, and spices हस्ब ज़ायक़ा हम डाल रहे हैं salt, garam masala, हल्दी, paprika और chili flakes. Okay, so we're going to let that cook. Okay, we're going to give that a good mix and cook for another 10-12 minutes. Okay, whilst that's cooking, we're going to add some chilies. So can we add the green chilies to that, please? As per taste again. Okay, so to your taste, we're putting in about 5. Okay, we're going to add one more ingredient, which is cumin seeds. अब नाज़रीन हम ज़ीरा ऐड करें, white ज़ीरा. Okay viewers, the chicken has cooked very nicely. So at this stage we're going to add some water. So we had 3 cups of rice, so we're going to add 6 cups of water. Can we add 6 cups of water, please? There goes number 1, number 2, number 3. It's the 4th one going in there. Number 5, and one more please. And final, number 6. Okay, so we're going to bring that to the boil, and then we're going to be adding the rice, which as you can see is soaked. So we're going to drain the water and then add it to this when it is at the boiling point. So we've drained the water from the rice, so we're going to add it to the boiling chicken mixture. Can we do that please? Okay, drain किए हैं चावल, अब इन्हें chicken mixture में डालेंगे. Okay, the rice has been added there. Viewers, we're going to bring that to the boil and then try to dry the water a little bit more. नाज़रीन इसे boil पे फिर कराएंगे तो फिर दम पे. So as you can see, it's bubbling now, viewers, and we're going to let it bubble for about 10 minutes and then cover it and try to reduce the water further. So as you can see, more of the water has evaporated and the rice are coming to the top. So we're going to give it a few more minutes and then put some foil over it. We call that process dum. So we're just going to do it for 1 more minute, viewers. This is on full heat. Then we're going to reduce the heat and cover it with foil. Okay, we're going to cover that with foil now, please. So that's fully covered, and can we put the lid on that? And as you can see, this has got seals, so put those seals on, and this is the process of dum. नाज़रीन जैसा देख सकते हैं आप, दम पे रखा है हमारे पिलाव, और इसे 10 minutes में ready होना चाहिए इंशाल्लाह. Okay guys, we're ready for the big reveal now. Let's take the lid away, and there we have our lovely pilau. Oh wow, there we have it, viewers, our final product, a very simple and delicious looking chicken pulao. नाज़रीन ये देखिए, ये हमारा फाइनल प्रोडक्ट है. ये बहुत ही खूब लग रहा है, खुशबू इतनी ज़्यादा आ रही है. तो I am the chief taster. Okay, let's give it a taste. Yeah, I can really vouch for that. That is most delicious. Okay, so we've come to the end of another video, viewers. Many thanks. I do hope you will try our recipe. Until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please help with the watch time that has dramatically reduced. नाज़रीन बहुत शुक्रिया. उम्मीद है आप चैनल को फुल सपोर्ट करेंगे. प्लीज़ प्रेस दैट लाइक बटन और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अगर आपने नहीं किया. So until the next time, I say thank you once again. Look after yourselves, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़, अल्लाह नेगेबान.